Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a menu block in email here in Omnisend. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to campaign or automation. Okay, so maybe automation right here. Now go ahead and create your workflow. Create from scratch. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, add in a trigger. Just for example, I'm going to go ahead and select click to message. Now we're going to add an email. Okay, drag and drop. Now, right panel right here, just click on edit content, like so. Yes, and save. Now what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top up left, click on add elements right here, and you'll have menu. All right, so basically just go ahead and drag and drop, maybe right here at the top. As you can see, we have by default men, women, and shoes. Okay, you can go ahead and click on one, double click on it, and change the menu. For example, menu 1 right here, double click menu 2, and double click menu 3. Okay, now if you want to add in some more tabs, you can go ahead and click on the block and add new item. Okay, as you can see here. Once that's done, just click on one, change the color if you want to, and most importantly, you'll have to link this menu. It could be to a page or to a product linked, however you want. Okay, click on link right here and just rename this. Okay, maybe you'd like to land it to the YouTube channel. I'm going to copy the link or URL, go back, paste that in here, update the link. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and hit on preview. Wait for it. And then click on menu 1. It should land us to the exact URL that was set. That's basically how you do it. Now, if you want to go more advanced and create a drop-down menu, okay, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I'll certainly do that video for you. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.